Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover with Lyft detailed guide step by step clearly. To recover your Lyft account, begin by opening the Lyft app on your device. Tap on the sign in button on the home page. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot Password. Enter the email address associated with your Lyft account. Check your inbox for a password reset email from Lyft. If you do not see this email, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Once your password is reset, return to the app and sign in with your new credentials. If you are unable to sign in due to a disabled account, visit the Lyft website. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Help. Select Account and Payment from the list of topics. Choose Account Issues. Click on My account is disabled. Fill in the necessary details and submit a request for assistance. Check your email for a response from Lyft regarding your account status. If your account was compromised, report it through the app. Access the Help section again and select Safety. Choose Report an Issue to file a report about the unauthorized access. Provide as much detail as possible to help Lyft address the issue. Monitor your inbox for further instructions from Lyft on securing your account. Once your account is restored, consider setting up two-factor authentication for added security. Always ensure your app is up to date to avoid future issues. Stay informed about Lyft policies to prevent account-related problems in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.